friends, welcome back to my channel. So it is almost mid of September and as we all know that Durga Puja is knocking at our door. So Durga Puja, which is also known as Sharadotshava, is a popular Hindu festival which is celebrated all over India on the victory of Ma Durga over Mahishasur. Ma Durga is also called goddess of power and it represents the triumph of goodness over evil. So this festival is populated and traditionally celebrated in the Indian states like West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Tripura and many other states. So this festival is also known by various names over various states. For example, it is called Dashera, Navratri and Kolu Dasera, Mysore Dasera, etc. And this is a 10 days festival for which the last 5 days are more significant. And last not the least, this festival is celebrated in public as well as in homes. The people who are staying in Bangalore and are staying away from their hometown during this puja, this video is made specially for you because in this video I am going to give you a list of Durga Puja pandals which are celebrated in Bangalore. For this, I have divided Bangalore into 4 regions: Bangalore East, Bangalore West, Bangalore North and Bangalore South, so that the people who are staying in that particular region can make their plan to visit the puja pandals according to their convenience. So without any further delays, let's get started.
I have provided the QR code for each location. You can scan the QR code by your mobile scanner and get the pandal location. Also, I have listed all the puja in the Excel sheet which I have attached in the description below. I will be updating this Excel sheet as I get any new details. Please feel free to share this video and Excel sheet with your near and dear ones who are staying in Bangalore. If you like this video, please like, share and comment in this video, and meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.